We're filming. All the way back.
It's like
Meet it in the middle. Oh, thank you. Damn. Oh, sketch. Getting a little too fancy.
Careful, rattlesnake.
Where? Oh, shit.
Oh, I lost Tristan, huh?
He stopped up there.
No, I was like, oh, dude.
For the clip.
Dude, that's a PB. Straight up. Heads up. Snake, Tristan.
Snake.
Right here. Heads
Dude,
up.
What happened?
Where?
Can you see that thing right there?
No, I stopped.
You can probably see
I
it.
was literally a foot away from running his ass over.
That's a rattler.
Yeah, you see it. He's chilling.
Look at him.
He's like what is that? Like 18 inches?
Oh,
Maybe a
sorry.
little bit
He's
longer,
at least
20.
2.
What'd you think of that one?
That was fun.
Dude, that
wood
was
drop
the
was
fastest
sick.
I hit it. I'm like,
I didn't expect it to be so.
bro.
That's why I panicked halfway. Like I bailed out of it at the last
What
second.
happened?
So,
I heard you go, oh, or something like that.
okay, so I screamed at the front I didn't crash at, and then I crashed